ikut template.
No, it was funny how you like to be called like Zia. It's actually like your name is Ziha,
Hmm.
and becomes
Halo,
Zia.
Miss.
Hi, Al.
Maaf, aku baru pulang.
It's okay. So where have you been? Did you get an iftar?
Hmm?
Did you get an iftar together, like buka
Ya,
bersama?
iya.
Oh, I see. Okay, let me introduce you to the other students here. So it's
Oke.
actually Naya and Naya. Should I just call you Naya or Naya? Okay, Naya and Zia's class. Okay, Al.
Oke, oke.
Yes, and they are also the same like you in the elementary school level. Naya, what grade are you? Eight?
8. Yeah.
Okay. Zia,
Why, Miss?
what grade are you in the elementary school?
7th grade.
Oh, elementary school, sorry, junior high school.
7th
Oh,
grade.
yes, sevens. And Al?
Seventh grade.
Seventh grade. So yeah, that's actually the same. Okay, so as usual, I'm just going to give you a time to get to know each other. Okay. And I hope that you can speak fully English because Naya and Zia here are used to be using English fully. Get it? Hello?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes.
Ya, Miss.
Okay. All right, I'm going to go with Zia first. Zia, can you please ask some questions to Naya? Sorry, got to Naya, to Althea. To Althea.
Althea. Althea. What's your impression about we?
Ooh, what is your first impressions about us?
Oh,
I think that question's going to be
iya.
perfect if you throw it in the last of the sessions. Terakhir kali ya.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Ya
yeah.
kan? Oke, just keep it for a moment, okay, Zia?
Miss,
Wait,
what, Miss?
impressions means like kesan-kesan pesan apa sih? What is it? Kesan-kesan, right?
Kesan
Yeah.
pertama, kesan.
Kesan-kesan. And it's actually going to be work perfectly if we throw that questions in the last session after we getting to know each other.
Ya.
Okay? Okay. So Zia, you have to go with another questions. Sekarang yang lainnya dulu. Zia.
Uh,
Okay.
can we call you Tiara? Ini Althea kan, Miss?
Yes, to Althea.
What's your hobby? Simple. What's your hobby now?
Wait, why your voice is kind of far away?
Miss?
Hello?
Hello?
Nah, that's better.
Hmm. Al, what's your hobby now?
What do you like to do or your hobby, Al?
Oh, hobi.
Mm-hmm.
eh aku nggak ada. Maksudnya apa ya?
What's your hobby?
Hmm, apa, Miss? Aku nggak ada hobi. Maksudnya aku nggak lagi ngelakuin sesuatu. Maksudnya kayak yang
No, it's okay.
sering.
It's kind of like the
eh,
regular hobby. I mean, like the things that you really like to do. For example,
Oh, hobi.
you like to going
Oh,
out with your friends, for example.
wait.
Okay, you can say it in a complete sentence.
Um, hmm?
Can you please say it in a complete sentence? Like, I like to play with who?
Kayak, oh, oke. Eh, wait.
It's okay. Oh, don't be so nervous. It's okay. It's okay. Zia and Naya are friendly actually. Let's go.
Hmm.
Don't be
Bentar, Miss.
shy.
Ah, hmm.
I like to.
Apa ya, Miss?
Whatever it is.
I like reading novels gitu.
Okay,
Gitu.
you like
Ya.
reading novel.
Ya.
Okay, so now I will give a time for Naya to please dig more about Althea's hobby, which is reading novel.
Oh, what novels do you read?
Oh, I read Badan Intelijen Sekolah.
Oh,
You know?
oh,
What is that?
that one, I know.
What is that? What kind of book
Ah,
is that?
itu tuh kayak apa ya? Duh, eh Badan Intelijen Sekolah.
What kind of
Eh,
book is that, Badan?
Badan
Novel
Intelijen
dari
Sekolah.
AU
Kayak
ya itu.
iya, iya nggak sih? Aku cuma baca bukunya dong. Itu kayak buat nyari keadilan di sekolah gitu.
Can you please say
I
it
know,
again
I
one
know,
more
I
time?
know.
Badan apa, Pak? Badan?
Badan Intelijen Sekolah, intelijen.
Intelligence.
Ya,
Intelligent Sekolah.
sekolah. Ya itu
Novel,
novel.
really? Oh, I
Ya, ya,
see. So this is the book that you are reading right now.
ya.
Siapa
Aku
pembunuh berantainya? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's interesting.
aku ya kayak ada namatin 2 buku gitu. Cuman aku lagi
Hmm.
nunggu buku yang ketiganya. Cuman belum ada gitu.
Althea, can you please speak in English?
Oh, oke.
Okay, so you
Miss aku
have,
nggak terlalu bisa, Miss. Aku grogi kalau misalnya bahasa Inggris nanti
it's
aku.
okay. You can speak it slowly. For example, like
Oke.
I have already read
Oke.
books gitu. Okay, pelan-pelan aja, it's
Hmm.
okay. And then Zia, back to Zia again. Zia, can you please ask more questions again?
About she novel?
Yes, kind of. About novel or any other hobbies, for example.
Mm, what ya? Hmm. Um, you only reading novel or anymore?
What? Hah? Enggak. Iya,
Zia,
I
your
just
questions is
reading.
like, what is your
Oh,
genre
iya.
of the novel? Genre novelnya maksudnya Zia.
Gimana sih, Miss?
What is it? What is the questions again? Can you please say it again?
Wait, let me think.
Okay.
Hmm, apa ya, Miss?
Anything?
Do you any hobby again?
Okay. Do you have another hobby?
Yeah.
Another hobby.
Oh yeah, I think Althea likes to listen to music, don't you?
Ya. Sampai lupa.
Yes, right?
Ya.
Okay, can you please tell more about your music style or your music taste?
I like to listen. Listen Lenny
Listen
or
to?
listen to Lenny. Terus
Oh, Lenny.
ya yang sama Taylor Swift.
Oh, Taylor Swift.
Taylor
Taylor.
Swift.
Ya,
Oh yeah, she's the Swiftest.
ya.
What about Naya? Do you like to listen to Swift song?
Yeah. Hmm.
What is the most popular one? Opalite.
I think it's right now it's the fate of Ophelia, Miss.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
The Fate of
so
Ophelia.
good.
And Lenny. Does somebody also listen to Lenny songs?
Yes.
Which one? What is the title? Can you please mention?
XXL.
Huh? XXL?
Yeah.
Okay, let
Mm-hmm.
me listen to it. Because I don't really know about Lenny.
Hanging flag. Sekali flip, mau bilang semuanya.
Alright, Straw Hats.
Atau enggak minute.
Is this also your favorite, Al?
Ya, aku kayak Bentar, Miss. Aku izin.
Done. Bentar, aku mau gagal banget. Wow. Do you guys know what is the meaning of the song?
No.
No.
What does double XL mean? Maybe Naya or Althea can explain.
Hmm.
Kayak missing former lover tuh kayaknya sih.
Missing?
Former lover
Former
kayaknya.
lovers. Okay, what about Althea? Do you have any other perceptions?
No.
So you don't listen to XXL1?
Hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Naya now. Can you
Huh?
please?
Hmm?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Apa, Miss?
Who is that talking? Is that Zia or Althea talking? Hello?
Oh, Miss. Hello?
Okay, okay. All right, I think I got a bad
Yeah, Miss.
connections, I guess. It's kind of lagging. Okay, now Naya, please throw questions to Althea.
What's your favorite movie or show?
Favorite movie. Harry Potter termasuk nggak sih?
Yes, of course, it's
Do you
counted.
like Harry
Okay.
Potter?
Yeah.
Are you guys the Potterhead?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So whose do you think is the best characters?
Hmm?
The best characters of Harry Potter.
Limiting.
And
I think
Althea
it's
too.
Oliver Wood.
Oliver Wood. Althea?
Of course, Hermione.
Oh,
Oh.
Hermione.
Yeah.
Okay, Hermione. Wingardium Leviosa. Okay, that's nice. Do you also guys read the novel of the Harry Potter one?
Yes, I have the
Okay,
3 of them.
3
Wow.
of the novels book.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Wow, have you already finished all of them?
yeah.
Okay. What about Althea?
No.
You don't read the book, only watch the movie? Okay. Zia,
What, Miss?
do you like to watch the Harry Potter's movie?
I don't follow about Harry Potter, Miss.
Oh no, Zia, you have to find it. You have to start to watch it.
Belum
Okay.
pernah, Miss.
Okay, so Zia, Harry Potter is actually really popular. And I think it's
Hmm.
only been like in my generations, I guess. It's the millennial era. Am I right, Naya?
Oh.
Yes, kan? Naya,
Standing.
is the Harry Potter in the millennials era? I mean, it's really popular back in 2000s.
Kurang tahu, kayaknya iya deh, Miss.
Yes, right? As the
Hmm.
Harry Potter's one. Oh, what is it? Daniel Radcliffe. Daniel Radcliffe is
Yeah.
maybe that's the same age as me. Like he's as old as me. So yeah, it's my era, it's actually. Okay. And Zia, you have to start watching it. It's really nice.
I'm lazy.
How many chapters of the Harry Potter? 7, right?
Yeah.
7 or 8, I don't know.
7 or 8, yeah, okay. As long as I remember, it's like 7 chapters, but I don't know. And then I'm not really a lover of the Harry Potter, but I watch it. Okay.
I see.
Okay. And Zia, you have to start knowing it. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to get us discussions about other things, which is the planet or our space or our solar system.
Oh,
Okay, let me give you some of these questions. First of all, I'm going to go with Zia.
Oh my God.
Zia,
Miss.
yes. Number one, how many planets are there in our solar system? Please do not find it in the Google.
Planet.
Okay, how many planets in our solar system?
Solar system, Miss.
Yes, solar system is like luar angkasa kita.
Luar angkasa. Berarti bumi nggak termasuk gitu, Miss.
Hey, Bumi is counted. The Earth is also one of the planets.
berapa ya?
What, Miss? Let me think.
Ayo, let me think, or you can Google it now.
Enam ya, Miss.
Okay, how many planets are there in our solar system?
Ya, I don't know lagi, Miss. What ya?
Maybe you know some of the names by the order. For example, like Mercurius, Venus, Bumi.
Eight maybe?
Ah, that's right. Yes.
Ya kan?
Yes, correct. It's 8. Okay, next, go to Althea. And then, do you know the
9.
names of each planets?
Sorry, Mas.
Do you know the names of any planets and which ones is it? Al.
Oke, nyebutin kan?
Yes. In our solar system or Tata Surya.
Venus.
Can you please
Venus.
say it in order? In order means like berurutan. From
Oke.
the nearest to the sun, dari yang terdekat dulu dari matahari.
Kelas 6 kalau nggak salah, Miss, belajar itu.
Okay. So maybe some of you have already been forgotten.
Iya.
Ngacak aja, Miss, ngacak.
Oh no, I want to hear that in order. Lebih gampang in order nggak sih?
Enggak,
Oh,
Miss.
Hah?
Miss.
Serius?
Iya.
Serius.
Okay. Coba mention one by one. Althea.
Oke. Venus,
Okay.
Jupiter,
Mm-mm.
Mars,
Mm-mm.
Uranus,
Mm-mm.
Merkurius,
Mm-mm.
Earth.
Earth.
Apa lagi?
Ayo, two more planets.
Uranus sudah.
Uranus is done.
Saturnus.
Ya,
Saturn. Yes, Saturn.
Saturn, Neptune.
Neptune. Yes. Okay, that is actually maybe going to be easier for Zia and Althea. What about Naya? Do you like to say it in order or acak-acak gini?
Aduh, acak-acak aja deh, Miss.
Really? So nobody just memorize it like in order, I mean from the nearest to the sun until the furthest one? Guys, serius guys, ngapalinnya nggak
Too hard,
bener-bener.
Miss.
Hah?
Susah, tah.
Masa sih? Oh my goodness. I
Tapi
always
kalau
remembered about the planets. Like I mean like maybe when I was child or when I was a student, the way that I memorize it is actually by the songs. Kayaknya dulu ada lagunya tapi I forgot.
Merkurius, planet terkecil.
No, that's not the song. That's not how it's sing. Oh no. Merkurius, Venus, Bumi, Mars.
Loh.
It doesn't have the
Itu lagu
melody, but
apa, Miss?
yeah, it doesn't have the melody, but I memorize it as it is in order. Mercurius, Venus, Bumi, Mars, Jupiter, Saturnus, Uranus, Neptunus, Pluto. That's actually Pluto. But Pluto has been gone.
Pluto belum ya?
No, Pluto is not included as the main planet because Pluto
Oh.
is very far away from the
Oh.
sun, and Pluto is really tiny. Tiny means like very small. And if I'm not mistaken, in 2006, I guess 2006, the astronomical ones have already declared that Pluto has been out of our planets gitu. Dan sekarang Pluto itu jadinya adalah dwarf planet. Do you guys have ever heard about the dwarf planet? Pernah dengar nggak? Dwarf planet.
Boleh, Miss?
Pernah dengar nggak?
Terus.
Have you guys
Tahu
ever heard?
Miss.
Nggak tahu.
No.
Althea?
No.
No. Zia?
What is
Do you know about the dwarf planet?
what?
Dwarf planet.
No.
Oke. So guys, dwarf planet itu adalah planet-planet kecil tambahan. Dwarf sendiri kan artinya kurcaci, ya kan? The kurcaci planet, that means like the planets that is really, really, really small. Itu dinamakan dwarf planet. And the most popular ones itu ada 5. Yang the most popular ya, itu ada wait. Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Ceres, sama Maki-Maki. You guys never heard this?
No.
Oh, no way.
Gak pernah.
Nggak pernah denger ya? Oke. Coba ya kita cari tahu di Pinterest. Dwarf planets. Mana dia? Lah, salah. I have to go with the search engine. Dwarf planet. Nah, here is what I'm talking about. Jadi kita punya yang namanya dwarf planet dan Pluto is included as the dwarf planet. Sejak dia dilempar, dihilangkan dari planet tata surya, dia masuknya ke dwarf planet karena dia terlalu kecil. Gitu. Okay. So we're going to talk about this maybe more later on. Let's continue again. The third one is already done. Oh, not yet. Now I'm going to go with Naya. Is the space travel safe or dangerous? And please tell why.
I think it's safe, but we need equipment, Miss, like rocket atau astronaut suite gitu.
Okay. So you
Because
need,
without that, we will die
of course, because we
because
don't
of the
have,
oxygen and others.
yes, because lacks of the oxygens. Okay. So have you ever thought that you're going to travel to the outer space? Have you ever thought about it?
No,
Or maybe like once in your life you want to get the experience?
no,
No, yeah.
not interested.
You're not interested. Okay. Next, Althea. Do you think there is a life on other planets? Why or why not? Apakah ada kehidupan di planet lain?
It is.
For example, do you believe that some of the
Um,
aliens live in the Jupiter? Who knows?
No, Miss.
I don't think. Can you please say it? I don't think there is.
Okay, I don't think.
I don't
Okay,
think there
I don't
is
think there is like. Hah?
life.
Gimana?
There is life on.
Oh, I don't think there is life on other planets because
Mhm.
kayaknya nggak mungkin aja, Miss.
Because that sounds impossible.
Ya,
Why? Why do you think that's impossible? You can mention, for example, because the best temperatures for the humans is only the Earth. Contoh lainnya apa?
Yes.
Because
Wait.
Mhm.
Karena gak ada
What is it?
karena nggak ada gravitas kan, Miss?
Okay, so there is no gravitation.
Ya.
Okay. Okay, that is already been answered. Next, Zia, would you like to live on the moon? Tell me why or why not?
No,
Why? Why you don't want to live on the moon?
because on the moon there is no oxygen than other humans.
Mhm. And there are no the others humans
Yeah.
or other people. Okay. So, what about Naya? Would you like to live on the Mars? Why or why not?
No.
Why?
Oh, why?
Would you like to live on the Mars?
Hmm.
Hah? Huh?
Hah? Apa sih, Miss? How?
Would you like to live on the Mars?
Why would I live on the Mars?
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
So you want to live on the Mars?
No.
Okay, tell the reason why you don't want.
One, because Mars is hot, right?
I don't
Bener
think
nggak?
so.
Loh, bukannya Mars panas ya, Miss?
I don't think so. Mars itu dingin loh.
Wah, ya udah berarti dingin.
Okay. Why you don't want to live on the Mars? Repeat again.
Okay, first one because I don't have that much energy to move to other planets.
Okay.
Why would I even go there?
Okay,
No.
and then
Secondly, there is no rendang there, like.
there is no rendang.
And thirdly, there is no Indomie, so
There
no.
is no Indomie and tukang
Yeah,
cilok
it's just
also.
wasting your energy, and then there's no good food there. Ugh.
Okay, this is just the imagination. For example, if
Hmm.
the World War III had already happened, for example, and then all the people have to move, okay? And the other options is going to the Mars or making the new life in the Mars. Would you like to go there?
Maybe.
Or would you like just trapped and die on the Earth?
Obviously, no, I would go to Mars.
Okay, so you're
Since I
going.
have no survival instinct.
You don't have the survival instinct. All right, that's nice. Next, Althea. Have you ever looked at the moon through the telescope? Have you ever looked through the telescope?
Through
Through
a
itu lewat.
telescope.
Yes. Pernah nggak lihat
No.
bulan lewat teleskop? Have or have
No.
never?
Gak pernah, Miss.
Okay, say it. I have never
Have
seen.
never. I have never
Mhm.
looked at the moon through a telescope.
Okay, through the telescope. Okay.
Yeah.
What about taking pictures of the moon by your phone? Have you ever?
No.
Oh, never. So you're not really interested in the moon, yeah?
Yeah.
What about seeing the eclipse?
Eclipse?
Yes, the moon's eclipse.
Mm,
Gerhana.
Not really, Miss.
Sorry?
No, gak terlalu.
Okay. Okay. She's not interested in the moon. All right. Thank you, Al. Next, Zia. Do you like to watch the science fictions movie about the space? Zia.
But yeah,
Mhm. Do you like to watch the science fictions movie about
mm,
space?
no, I
Never.
don't like never. Uh, Not never lah, Miss.
Okay. But you don't really
I
like to watch it.
yeah,
Mm.
I don't really because I'm lazy to watching.
Only?
I I don't like about science like that.
Oh, you don't like something about the science.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
science
like
fiction.
comedy.
Oh, so you like the comedy more, like Agak Lion, for example.
Agak lain.
Okay, that's nice. Next, Naya, do you believe there may be an UFO?
No.
No, yeah. So you don't
Yeah.
believe in aliens?
Yeah, but I saw some interesting theory about the aliens like that. That
Okay.
aliens doesn't shape like green anomalies like that, but sometimes it's the
Naya is muted.
oh yeah. The kind of sea creatures, miss. Like
Sea creatures?
yeah, sea creatures that goes in the deep sea. Like it's sometimes the shape is like so abnormal like that.
Oh, so let's say it's kind of like what is it called? Like the fish which lives in the very deep sea.
Mhm. Yeah, people say like aliens gak selalu berbentuk green with big head. No,
Okay.
it
So
could
that means the
be.
things in the SpongeBob is actually the the what is it? The real one. I mean, they are the fish or the sea creatures.
Maybe, but in the SpongeBob, apa ya, hewannya tuh masih normal gitu loh
Oh,
dibanding
okay.
sea creatures.
Okay, but this is still the theory, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so the theory. So you don't even know that it is the fact or not.
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right, all right, all right. So alien is not kind of like the green monsters. Naya said
Hmm.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Naya, for the insight. Althea, why did people travel to the moon? Ininya nggak usah. Why did people travel to the moon?
Um, for
Mhm. Por
learn more about the moon.
Uh-huh. Why did they visit the moon or travel to the moon?
Itu, Miss.
Hmm?
Emang kayu apa?
Yeah, some of
To
the
learn. Ya,
people have already been landed on the moon. Mereka udah pernah sampai bulan. And why do you think the people wants to travel to the moon?
to learn
To
about,
learn about the space.
ya.
Oh, I see. Okay. Like for example, some astronauts is going to the moon just to know like what is on the moon. Something like that.
Ya,
Oh,
ya.
okay. All right, all right. That's nice. Zia, what are
Yeah.
the three good things about the space travel?
Mm,
What are the three good things about space travel?
what is
The positive things, okay, the three good things itu the positive things of
yeah,
traveling to the other or outer space.
I don't know what the answer.
So you don't have any ideas?
Yeah, because I
Okay.
don't know. I don't follow about space.
Okay, you don't really know about the space.
Oh, maybe what ya?
Mm-hmm.
I think ya, Miss. Like
Maybe.
maybe inovasi teknologi.
Oh, maybe they just going to try on the technology.
Yeah.
And then what else?
Hmm.
Zia?
And I only think about it.
You only know one things.
Yeah.
Okay. What about Naya? Would you like to take over the questions? Maybe
Apa,
you
Miss?
have any idea? The 3 good things about space traveling.
Hmm. Pass, Miss.
Pass, okay. So maybe the people wants to learn something about the space. Yes, that's what Al has been saying. And then the other things, maybe they just going to what is it called? Like unlock the experience, I guess. And the third one is for fun. Just for fun. Okay, next one. Naya. What are the 3 bad things about space travel? Aduh, now the opposite things.
It costs a lot of money.
Okay, it costs a lot of money. And then
It costs a lot of water too.
it costs of the lots water too. The last
Hmm.
one,
Apa ya?
it's useless.
No, I'm not gonna say it's useless.
So, what is the last one? The bad things.
It's apa ya?
Oh, I know, it's wasting time.
Yeah. No.
No?
It's making health problem in space.
Oh, making the health problem in the space. Yeah. Okay, just take an example. For example, you feel the fever while you were in the outer space.
Hmm.
Okay, you will die. Okay, that's nice. Next, Althea. Should the government spend more money on the space travel? Ah, that's a bad idea. Al?
Eh, ini
Should the
gimana maksudnya?
government spend more money on the travel, on the space travel? Menurut kamu, pemerintah itu wajib apa harusnya membiayai kita nggak untuk space traveling?
Eh, ah,
You can say it's a good idea atau bad idea.
hmm, good idea.
Bad idea? Why?
Uh, no, good idea.
Oh, good idea. So you're also
Miss,
you're
aku
also
jaringan jelek gak sih?
agak-agak nge-lag sedikit. Okay. Why do you think it's a good idea?
Bentar. Because,
Mhm.
wait. Uh, 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 yeah. I don't know, Miss.
Okay, you don't have any idea.
Biar kak.
You can say I don't have any idea if you do not know what to say. Mhm. Okay, back to Zia.
Don't have any idea.
Yes, you don't have any idea. Zia,
Yeah, Miss.
how is the Earth different from the Moon? Menurut Zia, kenapa bumi berbeda dari Moon? Padahal sama-sama terbuat dari batu atau bebatuan or rock.
Aduh. What is different, right, Miss?
Yes, bedanya apa? What is the difference?
What ya? Let me think. I think eh bumi kan bisa menampung
Mhm,
kehidupan.
mhm.
Terus
On the moon
what?
and on the moon.
And on the moon, ya? I have no idea.
Okay, you have no idea still. So it's actually like this. The Earth has a perfect oxygen for the humans living, the first of all. And then the moon has the lack of the oxygens. Okay. And then the second of all, moon is actually not a planet. The moon is actually only a star. Is it a star? Does the moon a star? No, moon is moon. Moon is not a star, right?
Ya.
Bukannya bulan satelit bumi ya, Miss?
Bentar. Oh yes, that is the satellite.
Ya,
Hmm. Okay. So what makes it different with the Earth, Naya?
Hah?
What makes it different then?
How is the Earth different from Mars?
Yes. From
Okay, I
no.
think
Yeah. Oh yeah. Your part is the Earth different from the Mars.
okay, first one I can think of is different colors of planet.
Okay.
Like
Like the Earth.
the Earth is green and blue while the Mars is red like that.
Yes. Okay.
And
And then
Mars has two satellites.
okay. And Mars has two satellites, which is the two moons, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Do you know what is the two moons' name?
Deimos and satu lagi lupa, Miss.
Deimos and I know Phobos.
Ya.
Phobos and Deimos.
Hmm.
Yes, jadi Mars itu punya dua bulan atau dua satelit yang mengitarinya dia. Kan yang mengitari itu adalah si bulan. Bulan yang mengitari si planet. Gitu. Okay, that's nice, Naya.
And do you know, Miss?
Apa?
Mars itu diambil dari nama God of War in Romawi.
Oh, really?
Ya.
Oh, wow. I just knew it. Okay, I love about the fun facts actually. I love the fun facts all about all the planets. Like for example, do you know why the Mars is cold?
Why?
That is just because Mars has the lack atmospheres. First of all,
Oh.
yes. And then there are actually two kind of the temperatures, which is in the daylight, in the daytime, the Mars is feels like kind of hot, but it's colder in the nighttime. Gitu. So even though it is the red color, but it's actually not the hottest planets of all. The hottest planet, do you know, guys, what is it? Can you guess what is the hottest planet of all?
Mercury.
No,
Ah,
Venus.
Venus.
Yes. Venus itu yang paling panas. Even though the Mercury is the first positions near to the sun. Am I right? Gitu.
Yes.
Tapi fun fact-nya adalah Venus as the second position of it yang terpanas, the hottest one.
Yeah, we have planet Bekasi in here, Miss.
Planet Bekasi, which is hotter than any other planets.
Yeah.
Althea, do you live in Bekasi? Oh enggak, Althea itu dari Bogor.
Oh.
Bekasi
Naya,
kering banget.
Naya lives in Bogor too, tapi Bogor coret, the same like Miss Dita.
Oh,
We live in Cilengsi, Al. Okay,
Cil
next. Cilengsi tahu nggak di mana?
Cilengsi mana?
Cilengsi itu dekat Cibubur.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
oh, oke.
And
Oh,
Zia is from Medan.
Yeah, me from Medan.
Iya.
Why?
oh,
Mm-mm. She lives really far away from us. Next,
Hmm.
let's go finish it. Althea, how is the Earth's wait, ini udah. Why is the moon sometimes bright and sometimes dark? Why is the moon sometimes bright, sometimes dark?
Oh, moon. Because light from the sun. Iya nggak, Miss?
Okay.
Terus, bulan.
That's actually correct. I mean, as the moon, itu kan moon orbits the earth. Dia yang mengitari bumi kita kan. And
Ya.
we can see the different parts of the moon itu karena tertutup oleh si matahari. That's right.
Okay.
Okay, it's already been answered ya. Udah terjawab.
Ya.
Okay. That's nice, guys. It's actually it's only the beginnings actually. Okay. So maybe we're gonna talk about this more after Lebaran because this is our last sessions of this month, right?
Yeah.
Yes, please remind me again. I will just send it to the group. So later on, we're just going to talk more about this. We're going to talk more about the spaces. Like, I need to show you about some of the fun facts here. Okay. I have already prepared some of the materials here, like the fun fact of the sun, the fun fact of the planet Mercury, and so on. So we're going to come up with these discussions again after Lebaran. Yeah.
What time tomorrow, Miss?
Yes, after Lebaran. We're going to have the holidays. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Finally, no more classes. I can scream out like, oh, finally, I have no more classes. Okay, guys.
Yay.
Have a great
Start
holiday. Minal aizin wal faizin. Miss Dita,
Yes,
mohon maaf lahir
Miss.
dan
Miss,
batin.
dong,
Of
Minal
Miss.
aizin wal
course.
faizin too, Miss.
Yeah, if I had the mistakes, like intentional or unintentionally, mohon dimaafkan.
Gongsi, Miss.
Gongsi.
Miss,
Yes.
yang question impression itu belum, Miss?
Question impression yang mana?
Yang tadi Zia tanyain di awal.
Sebentar lagi ya,
Oke, Althea. Al.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please tell us about your impressions about Zia and Naya
Oh my God.
in this class? What is
You
your
guys
first impression? They are
yeah, you guys so
fun,
friendly. Yeah. So friendly.
so fun and friendly, and then
Yeah.
Kok.
Apalagi ya pokoknya semua.
Semua.
Semua ya gitu.
gitu. So Althea is going to say, what is it called? Naya and Zia are friendly and fun. And are you happy to be joining in our class, Althea?
Sorry, Miss.
Are you happy joining in our
Yeah.
class tonight?
So happy.
So happy. So,
Okay.
Zia and Naya, I need to tell you this one. Althea is actually not the new students in our group. Althea is actually the private class of mine.
Oh, I see.
But she likes to have the class every Wednesday too. Ya kan, Al?
Yeah.
Setiap hari Rabu juga, but before your class. So it's kind of like at 6 p.m. It's actually in the regular days.
Oh.
Gitu.
Jadi
Okay.
kok bisa join?
Kok bisa join? Because I combine it all together karena this is the last sessions of us, so I'm just going to have fun with you all guys gitu.
Oke.
Karena ini last sessions, jadi Miss maunya have fun aja. No more discussions, no more like study about grammar.
Yes, I agree with that.
Okay, so for the last session, can you please guys open your camera for a while because like Althea wants to
Aduh,
see how
Miss.
Naya's
Oh my
face.
goodness.
Yes.
Miss.
And then Zia also wants to see how Althea's face. Can you please
I
open
look
your
like I
cam?
want to search a boar.
It's
Miss.
okay.
Miss.
If you're
Wait,
not
wait,
wearing,
wait, miss.
if you're not wearing the hijab, it's all right. It's only the girls here, right?
Oh iya ya.
Iya kan?
Wait deh, miss.
Ah, at least like Zia already know the face of Althea, and then Althea already know the face of Naya. Let's go, Althea. Open your cam. It's okay. We're just going to see you guys each others. And that's Naya with the beach background.
Why I'm
is it-
so
Why
dark?
is it so dark? Why is it so dark?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, done.
Don't forget HR ya, Miss. Ya
Insya
kan ya?
Allah. Okay, that is Althea's face. Okay, wait, I'm going to stop the screen so you guys can see each other's right now. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot. Can I? Can I take a screenshot? Yes. Let's take a pictures together, but Miss Tita is not going to opening my cam. Okay, ready? Al, can you please show your face like a full face? Not only the eyes, and Naya too,
Ini.
and Zia
No.
too. Not only the half of your face. Zia is trying to get the best angle. Yeah. Wah, come on.
Muka aku aja nggak kedeteksi kalau nggak pakai flash, miss.
So you have already turned off the camera. Have already turned off the lamp.
Udah, miss, udah nyalain.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let's go. Take a screenshot first.
Please.
Althea, please open your cam. I want to take a screenshot of it.
I look like
Okay.
some storyteller, a horror movie.
A horror movie, the thrillers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Althea, smile. Where is your face, Althea? Okay, nice.
Udah, Miss.
Okay, done. Thank you guys for coming tonight, and I'm going to see you again after Lebaran. Bye-bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye. Have a good night, guys.
Hey, Miss.
Have a good night too. Thank you for tonight, miss.
You're welcome.
Gongsi, gongsi.
Gongsi. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Bye-bye, Miss. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See ya.